Linking your device to Grafana allows you to visualize and analyze your data effectively. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Install Grafana. Download and install Grafana on your server or local machine. You can find the installation instructions on the official Grafana website, ensuring you choose the version compatible with your operating system. Step 2. Configure data source. Once Grafana is installed, open the Grafana web interface. Navigate to the configuration section and select data sources. Here, you can add a new data source by selecting the type of database or service your device uses, such as Prometheus or InfluxDB. Step 3. Connect your device. Ensure your device is sending data to the configured data source. This may involve setting up an agent or service on your device that collects and forwards the data to the data source you set up in the previous step. Step 4. Create a dashboard. After your device is connected and data is flowing into the data source, go to the Dashboard section in Grafana. Click on New Dashboard and start adding panels to visualize the data from your device. You can choose different visualization tags like graphs, tables, or gauges. Step 5. Save and share. Once your dashboard is set up to your liking, save it. You can also share the dashboard with others by generating a link or exporting it, allowing team members to access the visualizations you created. By following these steps, you can successfully link your device to Grafana and start visualizing your data. Enjoy exploring the insights your data provides.